Yes, so we find this a lot of fun taking these cars out, because it's not just the workmanship and the craftsmanship that goes into the months of getting these cars ready, but it's also the fun part of enjoying the work we actually do.